Welcome back to Pi News World, your trusted source for the latest Pi Network news, updates and developments. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an important Pi Network update. Now, let's get into today's story. Today, we're talking about Pi Network's mainnet migration. This migration is when Pi users transfer their tokens to the mainnet. This process is crucial for bringing more utility to Pi. By moving users and their Pi, the network can become more robust. We must stick to verified facts and avoid misinformation. Now, let's discuss Wave 2 migration. This second phase could significantly impact the Pi ecosystem. It may lead to more users and developers joining the network. Migration progress is vital for businesses and exchanges to assess Pi's potential. We need to differentiate between verified info and speculation. So, why would institutions care about Pi Network? Financial institutions evaluate digital assets based on adoption, utility, and regulatory environment. They watch for growth in the ecosystem and the use of Pi in real-world scenarios. Remember, we cannot say any institution officially endorses Pi without verified proof. What does the future hold for Pi Network? There are opportunities and challenges. Pi's success depends on real-world adoption and ongoing utility. We cannot guarantee any specific price or future events because market conditions can change rapidly. For Pi users, here's what to watch next: mainnet developments, migration progress, ecosystem growth, and verified announcements. Staying updated with the regulatory landscape is also key for users. So, what do you think about Pi Network's next migration phase? And do you believe institutional interest could grow as the ecosystem develops? Let us know your opinion in the comments. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Pi News World, and turn on notifications for more Pi Network news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Pi News World update.